These are the stains of your nightmares. Hey pop stars, what's up? It's me, CakePopClara. If you want to have the confidence to wear the fashion that you love, subscribe to my channel because that's what we're all about here. Today we are going to be cleaning up 2 of my OPs. I tend to find that OPs get dirtier quicker than JSKs because you're not wearing a blouse underneath. So this is my Nanny era Prism OP in Saks, and literally it's been messed up for a while because when I was at the Baby the Stars Shine Bright tea party, I spilled a whole chocolate strawberry on it. There's some pretty bad sweat stains around the underarms and like in the collar area, so that's the objective, is to remove those. I'm gonna look on Big Sisters of Lolita Fashion, which is a Facebook group that helps a lot of new Lolitas or Lolitas who are clueless, like apparently me, about like upkeep and stuff. I'm gonna ask them if I can machine wash these 2 dresses. If they don't give me an answer right away, I'm just gonna lean towards hand washing because it's better safe than sorry. I've always machine washed or dry cleaned my dresses in the past, so this is gonna be an adventure. The other one I have to do is my favorite dress ever. It's my Angelic Pretty Assorted Cookie OP. This is like the same material as that one. I think it's cotton because like they both stained really bad compared to my other dresses around the underarms. Remember to take this all into consideration when you're washing your clothes because you don't want to end up ruining it even. That would be bad. Nothing on my teeth. Be careful, it's messy. Always remember to remove the detachable pieces. My post got approved on Big Sisters of Lolita Fashion. They told me to 1, check the washing instructions that are located on the inside of the skirt. I had no idea where they were. According to the tag, we're supposed to be hand washing it, so that's what I'm going to embark on right now. I have this delicate detergent here that I'm going to be using. I'm just going to be washing it in the tub and hanging it to dry. Let's start with the easy one. I put them in a plastic garbage bag because I didn't want to track the baking soda all over the house. That's my Lolita life right there in the trash. The water was dirty when I got done with the other dress, so I just put in some new water. I just woke up, but I just wanted to film a little update about the dresses now that they're dry. The dress obviously looks a lot cleaner. It's very clean now. If you look at where the stain is, it's so much more faint than what it was. But honestly, it helped quite a bit. Real quick, I'm going to try to sew the button back on the sleeve because I think this is in wearable condition. In conclusion, it was really hard to get the stains out of my dresses. I only left the solution on for maybe about 30 minutes. I might try leaving it on overnight and see how that works out. The dresses are a lot cleaner, so that's good, but the stains are not completely gone. They just faded away a little bit. What I would recommend is not letting your stuff get to... I would just recommend not letting your stuff get this way in the first place. In the comments, let me know how to get chocolate stains out. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. I will see you soon, and I hope you have a really great day. Bye, pop stars.